Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't done a slime video in so long. So now I'm back with a slime video. And first of all, I just want to say thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. So thank you guys so much. And also, my tooth is loose on the front. So let's get started. I'm going to grab this hair. Then I'm going to grab the lotion. Is it open? Is it open? Yeah. Okay. That's good. Now I just want to thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. Thank you so much. And I just want to say thank you also for getting me nominated for an artist on YouTube Music. I can't believe this is happening to me. I'm only 12 years old. I'm going to be a teenager in 3 months. So thank you. So let's get back into the video. So where's the spoon? I'll just do. Okay. Wait, too small. So, this shout out goes to my cousin because he got me to 100. So, let's mix this. And then, okay. So let's put some flour in here. And I'm doing a little bit at a time because this thing goes out fast. So, yeah. And let's wait for that to settle in. Then we're gonna focus on this right now while that settles into the lotion and the water and flour. And I have a another song coming out because I really like a few songs. So the first song I like is Crunchy because it has so many songs to pick from. So the second song I like is classic music because it has all different kinds of music. And I'm starting a playlist on YouTube Music for myself. So, whenever you want to listen to my playlist, hop right on over. And then, okay, hop right on over to listen to my playlist. So, and also, I don't want to add so much of lotion because it might melt. I don't know. But that's why I'm just doing little by little. So, yeah, there's a tip from making slime. If you're new to make slime, there's a little tip for making slime. So, let's talk about my song. It's a different song than all my other songs. So, this is like my this is like my fourth song that I'm working on because the other song that I'm working on is about my birthday coming up in 3 months. Gotta be ready. So, let's check back on the mixture. I'm gonna add a little tiny bit of flour just to like paste it up because it's still watery. And what I'm trying to aim here for is a cloud dough butter slime. So here's my tutorial on making a cloud dough butter slime. So I'm gonna add a little bit more and then Where's the spoon? Where's the spoon? Oh, okay. So, yeah, this needs a lot more flour. So I'm gonna add it in. And comment down below if you ever made a cloud dough butter slime. And if the comments are off, comment on my Instagram. And don't be afraid of commenting there. I love to see your comments and your video chats. So, comment down below. And yeah, I would love to see your comments. They make my day. And also, if you want to ask for shout outs there, you can ask for shout outs. Again, don't be afraid for me to read them. I love reading your comments. So yeah, if you ever want to comment or talk to me. I love to see your edits and so happy that you guys got me to 100. Yeah, so I'm gonna add some conditioner because I feel like that really gives the airiness of the cloudiness. So yeah. And then when we're done, I'm gonna add some color. Let's check on the base of this one. Now that we let it sit. But first, can you help me? I'm trying to reach the conditioner, but I can't. Can you? Okay. Thank you. So let's add some conditioner, and then later we'll add some foam beads. That's a lot, but it's okay. It will make it airy and cloudy. So that's okay. And then we're gonna add just a little bit more of flour. And then we're gonna check back on the other slime while I mix it. So, we're gonna check back on the other slime. Can you move it out of the way? Now, we're gonna check back on the other slime. And we're gonna add some lotion and some conditioner. And if you haven't seen my Instagram Control My Life, I'll put it in the description box below so you can see it. It was really cool. My Instagram followers control my life for a day, and if you wouldn't be featured, go follow my Instagram and take these polls. So in case that I ever do another one, you can be featured in it. Massage it. We're gonna add some conditioner and mix it in. Just squeeze it up. Okay. We're gonna add some more. Conditioner. I hope it doesn't melt. This part is strong, so I think it will not, but just to make sure, I have some flour on hand and some water on hand too, so if it ever melts. And you may be wondering, how are you gonna activate flour? Activate slime with flour. Well, that's a life hack. If you ever run out of flour or activator, you can just activate with that. So that's a life hack. Okay. Now we're gonna check back on the other slime, but before we do that, how about some ASMR time? So we're gonna check on the other slime, the cloud slime. So it looks like it's forming. It is becoming one, and I'm very excited. Just add a little bit more flour. Okay. So let's and then we're gonna add some water to the yellow farb. So once we're done mixing, there's okay. So to make the cloud slime, and can you move this? Can you move this? So now we're gonna add some water to mix it in. That's a lot of water, but that's what we want. And I have a very exciting announcement coming up in the next video. So be prepared to see it and hear it. But I will give you a little hint. It's a dance music video show. So I'm coming out with a series on the YouTube page, and I'm coming out with a YouTube page. So it will be out Monday. So stay tuned next Monday. So I think we're gonna have to do a little conditioner. Yes, it's melting, and that's what we want. Yeah. I know you guys are like, why do you want a melted slime? It's because we want the other slime too. Well, we want the other slime to combine it with the other slime. So, speaking of it, let's put the sort of melted. It's not really. And then let's finish this off. Okay. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And love you so much. See you Monday for the next video. And see you Monday for the next video. And love you so much. Bye-bye.